Masterpieces Mripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Siwelele. Nginokwenda. BK Pepsi inosikhala bafowethu. Kimango Thomang.
Mina ngithi namhlanje ngihamba neSiwelele esethu hela yalo sana we support them for the last time and the first time today. We wish them, even though they cannot play well or whatever, they must play like in Glove coaches, the karate men. Yeah, they can do whatever they want. We don't care. We don't care. As long as they can hold Mamelodi Sundowns to the draw or 1-1 is fine. We don't care about the beautiful football. This is not the time for the beautiful football. Bafana basiwelele karate football le bona go Chiefs ya must kick the man, leave the ball.
My worship.
Sure.
No fear favor.
Yeah.
Well, on 2, Siwelele 0. You know what? Tibo in a Yakazia League.
Yeah.
It was a league. Last game.
Yeah.
Sundowns won 2 games in a row.
2 games in a row.
Ba 0 pass. Go win 3 games in a row. So it made it you win by goals. They will be different. So now guys, you will parrot. Hungary League. Yeah, different goals. So but category PK. And then you was going to win. So it's not the case like this.
Yeah.
You see?
No.
Get different. Yeah.
Thank you.
My leader. Injani. Mina namhlanje ungakhohlwa ukuthi uBoss naye ufuna kuya ku-World Cup.
Yeah.
Yodala. Yeah, uBasabani. Yeah. Namhlanje there are a lot of players who want to prove their point. Williams naye, he has been shaky lately. Yeah. And he has to prove that he really deserves to be our number 1 goalkeeper next month in America. So it's not going to be easy. Siwelele, they are not going to allow Sundowns to come on top of them. So it's going to be an interesting game. Ofaya magafe. Thina makhosi hayi right. Amabhekelo ethu soyilwela sifuna bomakhelwane basiwele laba besemuva soyishayela bona thina asifuni mafeva amaZulu isikhukhune nakusasa siqala ngesikhukhune kusasa silungise. So siyasizana. I want to say congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns and Chiefs. We want to say Kosi, we played very well, even though you playing karate is fine, as long as we make us karate football. This is the time in Kofu. Must consider your talent. Football is not your talent. Karate, you must have a black belt.
It didn't get up like game Sundowns ne Kaizer Chiefs. Mama Kumenda we karate. Uyovu ibhola leya. It was on the level of angayikhahlela ngenyawo. It was not high. So unfortunately lo mjita lo ulimele. But ilevel yebhola ibimvumela ukuthi ayikhahlele ngenyawo. Not ukuthi ayihede le bhola. So it was an accident. It was a 50-50. Yes. And then the game namhlanje la. Mina, I wish Siwelele win. Siwelele win 2-1. Because labantu leba wabala eMaraba Stars. Ungathi bakhuluma kakhulu ukudlula iPirates manje. All right, mawakhuphula kahle. Ne game ye Chiefs ne Sundowns. Waphakamise ibhodo lana Loftus. Ukuthi we don't need any favor. So meaning bayasitshela and babasitshela ukuthi bazoyishaya Kaizer Chiefs. So mina manje ngathi sengiyachintsha embayidike manje ngifuna i-league le eSoweto manje ngifuna ukuthi ye eSoweto ileague and manje iSundowns iBhasobe mayingaluza ukuthatha ileague le neCAF izoyiluza
yabona bafisha namajezi manje benze njani
ngoba fanele ikhiphe kahle abayikhiphe kahle so noma ngabhayiza nje makaluza ileague lena neCAF ngeke bayithathe because angeke bayithathe
bayithathile
uyabona wazi why i-performance yeSundowns manje is very poor. It's very poor manje. Three game yonke le babayidlala le. Ibhola yabo mina ayichazi and manje the way ngibona ngakhona ibona ilose. I-CAF bazoyiluza. Bangaba nelike bathathe i-league but angiboni kanjalo mina. Yes man. So yes man.
Sendawani ngifaka la ivideo yonke
Umuntu wakunjani? Ngiyaphila. Ngizoya straight ku match bathini
namhlanje
analysis pre-match analysis. So mangibhekile ne last benginawo ngitshelile about the performance ya last against the Kaizer Chiefs. And when I was quite impressed but not really impressed futhi because obviously referee naye udlala irole enkulu kabi yabona so somehow ndabe mela nikeze khona ama red card wakhipha ama yellow card la mela khipha ama yellow card wanikeza ama red card so yeah referee was very unfair kule game le but going to this game ne I think thina approach yethu we shouldn't build up kakhulu emuva because the stadium's ncane so obviously we're gonna play against the width angithi so kumele ukuthi from our build up sizama ukuthi ibhola sil release quicker because iswelele once they start pressing us bazodlala high line again njenge Kaizer Chiefs and then obviously through our counter attacks that's where they're gonna punish us so we need to make sure that once we have the ball we release it a bit more quicker and obviously because now Jaden Adams got a red card yeah I don't know ukuthi coach uzoqalisa bani but whichever players obaliqalisile today I hope ukuthi they will perform but as I said ukuthi we need to variate our game I think into eshaya kakhulu ukuthi kumele sicontrol kahle ama tempo tempo yama game wethu I think sometimes we tend to play a bit more quicker and then that's where our opponents wethu athola the space behind us so we just need to ukuthi sibe a bit more fluent masidlala yabo so ama pass wethu siwacombine kahle but all in all prediction for today maybe score I would say 2-0 Mamelodi Sundowns no problem brother